Hi everyone. Welcome to this short video in which I will show how you can use the Metalogs Workbook in order to translate the uninterpretable or not easily interpretable aCoefficients into very interpretable and clean quantile parameters. So when you open this workbook, which is a free download from the Metalog distributions website, you'll see that there's some data in here, and this data parameterizes the particular probability distribution, the Metalog distribution that you see here. The 5 data points are the 5 yellow dots illustrated on this chart. Let's just suppose that the expert had given you slightly less interpretable data points. So maybe that 25 is actually associated with 0.12, the 40 is associated with 0.47, and the 90% was actually at 0.87. Okay, well, you see, every time I made a change there, the aCoefficients over here changed. But these aCoefficients do correspond exactly to this particular Metalog. And the point is that neither the expert assessments here nor the aCoefficients are terribly easy to interpret. For example, you might want to know about this Metalog. What's the median? What's the 25 and 75 percentiles? And what are the 1090 percentiles? Or if you even wanted slightly different ones, you could go over here and change for n equals 5, change this to a 0.05, and then that probability will show up here and you get a different quantile, and then you could change this to 0.95. And that program shows up, that probability shows up here. So now you have the median, the interquartile range, and the 5 and 99% points that correspond exactly to this curve. Well, these aCoefficients and these, what we call quantile parameters, there's a one-to-one relationship between them, which is specified simply by a matrix multiplication. And to show this, let me copy these aCoefficients. I'm going to copy them, and then I'm going to put them over here. I'm sorry, I'm going to copy those quantile parameters, and then I'm going to put them over here, edit special values. So I'm going to paste the values that I've just copied into there. And when I click this button, what I want you to do is watch these aCoefficients. It's 41.11 all the way down to minus 1740. I'm going to click the button. Aha! Look, I have exactly the same aCoefficients, and what I've done is parameterize, and the curve did not move at all. Neither of these curves move, but what I've done is I've reparameterized these curves in terms of interpretable quantiles, which are now the 50 and 95 and 25, 50 and 75. So whenever you have a Metalog distribution, you can always interpret the aCoefficients in terms of highly interpretable quantile parameters, and you can use this spreadsheet to do it for any number of terms. And we have illustrative probabilities in here that you may want your quantile parameters to be associated with, but you can always go into this matrix on the right here and change those numbers if you don't like what we've put in for default purposes. Anyway, that's how you can do it. Good luck with this, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.